All right, friends, we're here at a new game at the Suncoast in Summerlin. Look at the new, beautiful sportsbook over here. Awesome place to sports bet, watch games, grab some drinks. Sundays will be fun there. Let's start the week off fun right here on this new Regal Riches game. We looked for the one that had the highest numbers on top, and we found this one. So here we are. Wow, that would have been excellent right off the bat. It's so hard to hit free games on here. So the diamond has 186, which would be crazy. This one had the highest one. It has a must hit by 200, which is nice. We know what we're going for, and then these are the cash wilds. Now I think these ones have money values once we get them. So let's see if that can happen. I saw, oh my God, one. Gold. Oh, right away, how crazy. Anything would be awesome, but of course, I mean, it's pretty active. It's showing them, and they have these beautiful, precious gems as the titles. Amethyst, amber. Amber is the color of your energy. Sapphire, emerald. Let's go for diamond. No line hits as of yet. Maybe the line hits are less, but the bonuses are more frequent. I guess we'll take that. Now these ones there were the blue ones on the other original one. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, I mean, it took us so long to get 1-2 on the other one, so maybe it has higher chance at bonuses. Okay, well, amber. That one must hit by 50. That one must hit by 60. You can see up here. Oh my gosh, dude, this is the third time, it has to drop it in. Wow, I mean, getting that many chances is nice. They have different this is the lion one, the other one's the raven. I don't think that changes anything, but not one line hit, huh? That's craziness. Not one line hit. Well, that was the first line hit, if I'm not mistaken. Makes sense. I keep going? Okay, well. Three fast spins. Okay. Now, wifey likes to find this on the lower denominator, lowest bets. It does have a high number on it, so what do you guys think?
And they have 8 cash wilds, so we have to wait until...
Yeah, that cash wild is important right now. Okay, lions and tigers. You're themed after a lion, you can show us some lion hits. Okay. That's the second best one if we got it. You want anything? No, thank you. Thank you. She apologized because we were recording. That's fine. Thank you. Okay, got 9 on a quick spin. Oh. Wow, this is crazy. No line hits. One. Okay, finally, we got this. Let's see what it looks like now. Okay, keep them high. Okay, so it gives you money when whenever it wants. Okay. Upstairs. Okay. Huge here. Yes. This thing. There's money plus the wilds. I don't think so. So I'm not sure if it does a multiplier on there. Yeah, let's try 160 now. So that one has, yeah, about similar, but let's try the 160 a little bit. I agree. I'm always lucky on the second bet. Okay, there we go. Like if Dragon Link, okay, upstairs, big number, okay, wow, okay, well that was interesting. No line hit, but we got about $7, I guess, we'll take it.
Let's try 240.
240 now, okay. Wow, yeah, this is Look at this one.
Wow, someone
That
got
was
that.
huge. It's $100 right there. Let's try this a little bit. They didn't do any backup spins because that was left on the screen. So let's see if this was the hot one.
I mean, nothing happened, and they're like, they finally hit it, and they're like, I'm out.
I'm out, yeah. That's not a bad idea. Keep going. One more. One more. Okay, well, 160. Now we usually like to move denominations in games and our bets, but because this machine has these huge numbers locked in, it's kind of like you're just staying for those. So you get locked into one bet, and then you're just kind of go.
We're not getting line anyways.
Sure. It's pretty good. Okay. Boom. Oh. At least give us the amethyst one. Is right there. That would have been 50. I guess the closest one is the sapphire. Has to hit by 8.
That doesn't even hit, huh?
No, you're right. And that's not even 3 of a kind. That's interesting. Okay, goodness, come on. 1. Yes. Blue. Okay, it is sapphire. I said it has to be sapphire. That's the 3rd best one. It must hit by 60, I said. Okay. Well, at least we got one. Wifey, together. We pushed the button together. Okay, beautiful. Something happened. I'll see if it gives you those money values. Okay. So it didn't give us any wilds in the first one. That's actually really good. Okay.
What's up, red mean?
Yeah, you're right. What are the red ones? You're right. What do those mean? Wow, it gave us none on the first spin, and then it gave us... Oh, I see. So it's like that. It's like when you get a jackpot feature on like a lot of those games, like Rich Little Piggies or whatever. Blue is good, yeah.
I didn't see a blue one.
There was, I saw 2 blue. Yeah, 1 blue, yeah. Okay.
This is random.
Yeah, we would like to see 2 reds.
Oh, there's a blue and a
Oh, blue and a green. Okay, so
red.
there's a red too? You're right. Oh, we're 1 away from 10,000, 1 away from 51, it's 3 away from 360. Okay. Let's go. Okay, we have 32 left. Okay, if he uses none here, that's fine. There was 2 spins where it didn't give you anything. That's fine. Save more for the end, right? But there's no multipliers. Okay, we got the 50.
Oh.
Yeah, good job. Minor awarded. Okay, now I see the potential of this game. Now, please, just give us 1 really crazy red one.
It probably means that someone hit the major, right? Because it's
Maybe, yeah. It didn't go up anything. You're right. Did it start at 360 or is it just exactly even? Yeah. Okay. I mean, that's a huge hit for 80-cent bet. Yeah, 5 more games with 26 more wilds. Yeah, it's gonna probably count now, count after, count every time. Okay, but there's no multipliers, which is silly. Oh my God, guys, so sorry because my memory card got full right as we were finishing up that bonus round, and you see we won $92, huge, over 100x win on this new beautiful game. But I do apologize, the only one we got was a minor for like $56 or so. We were 1 away from the grand, 3 from the major, but still absolutely amazing. 1 backup spin, wifey said. 1 modest backup spin. Yes.
crazy.
This is crazy. I mean, this is a fun game to definitely get sucked in on.
I like the diamond.
I do too, yeah, that diamond feature. So it was crazy because it doesn't give you any multipliers, but it does give you money values once they double up in there. So, super fun, but we're gonna go maybe find another one of these on the other side. But yeah, this is an awesome game. It's a great new version of Regal Link.
Major is 300 on everyone.
On 300, oh, so it's up 60 on here. So did you want to try a little more or no? Yeah, I guess, I don't know. All right, guys, there we go. We're gonna do more because the major is higher on this one than the other one. So I don't know. This machine is hard to get back-to-backs on. Oh, it's hard to get anything on, first of all. So we were at 52 on there, right? We were on 52, where it says 40 right now. We'll try a little bit more. The line hits are like non-existent. That's what we were talking about. Okay, one more amber. Amber is the color energy. It counts as a wild too, that's cool. Okay, line hits, very bad. They're obviously only in the bonus round. And even there, you know, it's just because of the money. Okay. Okay, wifey wants to take out the money that we have inside there and then put in a fresh 100. Cool. Okay, let's switch it up a little bit. Okay, stay here. What were the other numbers? So this one just like hit on the amber. These don't look like they just kind of hit. 240, yeah. 320 now. Wow, this was a nice screen for this person. This, you know, that's not really that. And then 4. I mean, this is good, but I don't know if wifey wants to go hard on this at $4. I mean, they're not that worth it, you know, now that I think about it. What do you think? The $4 one is, but I don't know if you want to play $4 or no. What would you guys say? It's a little bit, I guess. In the spirit of back-to-back bonuses. Man, the diamond one would be so crazy. Imagine getting the diamond one on like a $4 bet or a $10 bet or something. Wow. Yeah, it's literally like no line hits. The only thing you're hoping for is this one to kind of keep you afloat, and then actually obviously a bonus round, so. But, well, that one's by 10 now. It hits 40. I don't think so. I think it has to be on free spins. Or if you get it at 50 and it just randomly throws a gem up there, I think. Okay, is that one gonna go? 7. Random cash may be awarded any spin. It says. Oh, okay, that's rude. Okay, wow. You don't want to have a chance. It was so nice to hit that sapphire. That was super fun. Okay, come on. Do it again. Oh, trickery again. Next session of bingo in 5 minutes. All right. Bingo was his name. Oh, let's go do that. Come on, free spins. It's so much fun.
Next thing we're just waiting for is the cash wild.
Yeah, at this point, but still, that might not even be worth. Especially on 80 cents, you're not gonna really win that much on it. That's why it's just kind of like. Well, you're not playing to win. What are you playing for?
Fun.
She's playing for fun. I like that. Oh my, one more.
Why did that one make a noise?
Now that one would have been, because this one came and then that one just dropped in. Now that would have been playing for fun and the win right there. That would have been massive. Okay, we have 8 now. So that can get activated at any random spin. Hopefully soon. Wow, line hit. Boom, boom, boom. It has to give that one on top. See, it's really hard to even get the gem for that one to make it closer to 200.
It hasn't come at all.
It hasn't come at all. The only ones that have come are wow. Okay, yeah, amber and like an amethyst, I think. It was nice to hit that sapphire because it was at 52. It's still 8 away, but okay, here we go. Finally got this thing. Close together. Big numbers. Okay. All right, well. Wow. Wow. Okay, big full page? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Okay. Yeah, this game is a lot of fun. It's definitely one where you just get sucked in. You have to keep playing. It's kind of like Ultimate Fire Link or whatever. Like when you're chasing those things, the fireballs, as they get filled up. It's another kind of very engaging, suck you in kind of situation. Well, that person's getting a lot of bonus on that Dragon Link over there. Oh. No, you don't have to get sucked into that. I don't know. Okay, well, that is it. I think this is really fun if you want to just really sit and be dedicated to it. But as like one of those like try to get a bonus really fast situations, like Dragon Link sometimes or Huff and Puff, I don't think it's as good. But it's one that if you just sit for a few $100s and you stay on one bet for a while, I think you can definitely get some amazing, huge wins. A lot of fun. Well, we'll be back. We'll find a new machine. Regal Link. See you soon.